here's a quick exhaust comparison on the Grizzlies. All right, here's the stock exhaust for baseline comparison. All right, here's a 2-inch tip with the core removed.